Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Muhammad Fizan Alam. I am here with third episode of series What is Islam. Today I will narrate those verses in which Allah Almighty said it will happen. And it happened. Like the event which Quran had already foretold happened after some time. First example in Surah Al-An'am, Allah mentioned the rights of the period in which Quran was revealed, like camel, horse, etc. Then Allah Almighty said, يَخْلُقُ مَا لَا تَعْلَمُونَ. In future, Allah will make such ways of transportation that you don't know yet. That is, Allah Almighty will give human beings such intellect and understanding that man will make such ways of transportation and such rights that the people of that time don't know. Today, you can see what kinds of rights have become: airplanes, trains, cars, motorcycle, etc. Today, man is flying in air by airplane, and trains are making the journey of months into days. Holy Quran told this information to the world 1400 years ago. Second example, Persia and Rome fought a war, and the Christian of Rome lost. At that time in Quran Majid, Allah Almighty said, after a short time, the Romans will get victory. Pick up the history books. Then the world sighed. It happened what Quran has predicted. A few years later, Romans defeated the Persians. Here is another great example. In Holy Quran, Allah Almighty says to our Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, that, O Prophet, we have raised your remembrance for you. That is, as time goes by, your remembrance will be increased. The number of people describing your greatness will be increased. Do you know, when this verse was revealed, Islam was limited to Makkah only. Muslims at that time could count it on one's finger. The infidel met and said, there are few Muslims, we will kill them. New generation will not even know that someone in Makkah has proclaimed prophethood. When my Prophet, peace be upon him, heard that the disbelievers of Makkah were saying that, his heart was saddened. It hurt him. He thought that I am showing them the way of guidance and they are plotting against me. Then Allah Almighty said, O Prophet, we have raised your remembrance for you. Warafana laka zikrak. Now I ask from you whether there is any country in the world in which no one remember our Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, or if there is not any believer of Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, in the every corner of the world. What Quran has said 1400 years ago, that a time would come when Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, would be remembered in the corner of the whole world. What Quran said, it happened because it is the word of Allah Almighty, creator of this universe. What Allah has said in this book, it happened as it is, and it will happen as it is in future too. So far, I have given the evidence that the Quran is the word of Allah Almighty, the God of this universe. Now I request you that if you don't understand Arabic, then please, I am requesting you that at once you read the translation of Holy Quran. You will be successful in this world and in hereafter. I will meet you next week, inshallah. May Allah bless you with happiness. Stay tuned with us. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.